Plant FAQs, Hoya gracilis, Hoya Memoria. Hoya gracilis, unveiling the delights of this enchanting vine. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of the Hoya gracilis, a captivating vine prized for its exquisite foliage and charming blooms. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this tropical treasure. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoya gracilis? Hoya gracilis, now reclassified as Hoya Memoria, is an epiphytic vine native to the Philippines. It thrives in the dappled light filtering through the rainforest canopy. This climbing plant boasts narrow, dark green leaves adorned with captivating silver speckles. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Under the right care, Hoya Memoria rewards its owner with clusters of star-shaped, fragrant flowers, often described as resembling parachutes. Hoya gracilis versus Pubicalyx. Hoya gracilis has been a delight in my collection with its delicate, slender leaves that trail elegantly. Its small, star-shaped flowers have a sweet scent that fills my space with a subtle fragrance. On the other hand, Hoya Pubicalyx stands out with its glossy, dark green leaves that contrast beautifully against its burgundy-tinged new growth. Its flowers, often in clusters, are stunning with their intricate star shapes and a rich, almost chocolatey scent that's quite unique among Hoyas. What are the benefits of growing Hoya gracilis? Beyond its undeniable aesthetic appeal, Hoya Memoria offers several advantages. Air purification. Like many houseplants, Hoya Memoria helps purify the air by removing common toxins. Low maintenance. This forgiving plant is well suited for busy plant parents. It tolerates periods of neglect and doesn't demand constant attention. Compact growth. Hoya Memoria is a relatively slow-growing vine, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Train it to climb a trellis or moss pole, or let it cascade gracefully from a hanging basket. Unique foliage. The captivating interplay of dark green and silver variegation adds a touch of elegance to any indoor space. How to care for Hoya gracilis. Here's the key to cultivating a thriving Hoya Memoria. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Allow excess water to drain freely. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for cacti or orchids. Humidity. Hoya Memoria thrives in moderate to high humidity. Consider using a humidifier or grouping your plants together to increase ambient humidity. Fertilization. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. How do I propagate Hoya gracilis? Propagation is a fantastic way to multiply your Hoya Memoria and share the joy with friends. Here's a simple method. Take stem cuttings with at least 2 nodes, leaf junctions, during the spring or summer. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Provide warmth and indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Troubleshooting common Hoya gracilis problems. Yellowing leaves. This often indicates overwatering. Reduce watering frequency and ensure proper drainage. Leaf curl. This can be caused by underwatering, pests, or insufficient humidity. Check the watering schedule, inspect for pests, and increase humidity if necessary. Lack of blooms. Several factors can hinder blooming, including insufficient light, incorrect fertilization, or the plant being too young. Ensure proper light conditions, adjust fertilization practices, and be patient. Final thoughts. Hoya Memoria, with its captivating foliage and delightful blooms, is a true gem for any plant collection. Its forgiving nature makes it a rewarding choice for both seasoned and novice plant enthusiasts. With a little TLC, you can cultivate a thriving Hoya Memoria that will grace your home for years to come. Happy planting!